video we're going to be looking at paint colours we got for the Mongrel and also the wheels which I've bought for it. This is from Transfairs again. Sent me out some masking tape because I was struggling with mine the other day. Got some sanding discs which I asked for. Get that up on the wall. But these are the colours. So I got one colour for the inside for the cage and the engine bay, and then the other colour for the outside. So if you want to guess the colour, get your guesses in now. And if you get it right, then you will win the feeling of victory for a moment. We got grey for the inside and the engine bay. I've gone for green for the outside. I wanted like a sort of army green, but like a pastel version and a gloss colour. Ooh, I like that one already. So when I picked these colours out, I just picked them off of a computer screen, and they all looked very similar on the screen. I would say all, quite similar to this one here, but in real life they're massively different. So I was hoping I would have like 2 or 3 that I really liked, and we could do a poll to pick one of maybe 2 or 3, but out of all these, the only one I like is this, and as soon as I opened that I was like, that's the colour I want. And I think it's just really going to suit the car and like the era of the car. Like these cars came painted with like pastel-y type colours. I think that was very close to a colour it came out in. They did the beige, then there was like a yellowy one. I think they did like a really pale blue one too. But I think this is going to look really good on the car. So these are definite now. Out of the greys, this is pretty much the exact same colour as the primer on the inside of the car at the moment, which I do like. And then this I like as well. These two go together really well, and those two go together well. So, alright, so it's actually easier looking at the lids, I think. Probably could have just done it on the lids to start with, but oh well. So this is going to be choice 1 and choice 2. So do you think those two go together best, or those two? I think I'm kind of leaning on this, but it is nice to have the inside of the car painted quite brightly. When you're in the car, that would probably be a nicer option, but I think to look at, this would probably look better. So, not sure. Got these from Rotor Wheels. They did me a really good deal on them, so cheers Rotor Wheels for that. Been struggling to find something that was kind of like retro enough, so this is what I ended up with. they're 15 by 8. I just thought it was the only thing that I could find really that had like a proper old school look to it. I've got different offsets front and rear. So obviously, I mean, it's pretty hard to picture without any arches or anything on it, but I like them. I think they'll suit it well. Send me a banner out as well. Need to get all these banners up. Alright, so the fuel tank needs some work. You can see there's a lot of rust on it, particularly around this bottom edge, which needs sorting out. So just going to clean the rusty bits and get some paint on it just to stop it getting any worse. Alright, tank's looking a bit better. I had to pull that like foam strip seal off just because there was a bit of like rust underneath part of it, and I didn't want to risk there being the start of a hole or something. So I pulled it off and wasn't even really actually any rust there, it just looked like it. But I'll find something else to seal that if it needs it. If not, I'll just bolt it in like that. That's one more job ticked off. So there you go, little update. I know it's not much, but I'm kind of waiting on parts to arrive and sort of stuck for things to do. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the paint. That is all I got for this one. Cheers for watching, see you on the next one.